Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Rajapushpa Provincia, which is located in Narsingi, Hyderabad, a project developed by Rajapushpa Properties. And today we are here to do the project unboxing, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, internal and external board, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, with the current construction status of the project and even about the position. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project, and as you can check out, we are here right in front of the marketing office of the project, and this is the marketing office. Now about the land parcel is right over here, where the construction work is in full progress. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 24 acres of land parcel consisting of 11 towers in all, each tower of ground plus 39 floors, having exclusive 2 and 3 BHK apartment with sun deck. Additionally, this project has 78% of open space. Now about the location part, and this project is exactly located near Nanakramguda Service Road in Narsingi, Hyderabad. And let me show you the neighborhoods of the project, and basically this road will connect you towards ORR in just 1 minute from the project. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Gachibowli in 10 minutes. Oak Ridge International School is 10 minutes away. Continental Hospital is also 10 minutes away from the project, and even you can connect to High Tech City in 15 minutes. Now about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So this project provides you all the apartment. Those are unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures like vitrified tiles, SS sink with home automation system and many more. Now about the external amenities, and this project provides you 1.5 lakh square feet of grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fitness center, yoga deck, kids play area, garden area and many more amenities.
Now about the parking provision, and the project provides you one type of car parking facility, that is the basement level. Now let's discuss the master plan. This is the master plan of Rajapushpa Provincia. As you can see in the image, these are total 11 towers constructed in the project with luxurious amenities in the center of the land parcel. Now let's discuss about some of the floor plan. This is the typical floor plan of Tower D, E, Tower F, G and even Tower H, with 8 flats per floor, 8 lifts, 2 staircases, your 6 flats of 3 BHK and 2 flats of 2 BHK residencies. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 2 BHK, that is 1370 square feet and 1715 square feet super built up area. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 2020 square feet and 2600 square feet super built up area.
Now about the current construction status of the project. So this project is divided into 2 parts, phase 1 and phase 2. Phase 1 consists of tower A, B, C, D and tower F. So these towers are already delivered, and you can check out this tower in the background as well. Ready to move in properties is available in this project. Now about phase 2. So phase 2 consists of tower G, H, J, K. So these towers, the construction almost 60 to 70% is completed, and you can check out the towers over the site. Now about the possession part. So as mentioned, for tower A to tower G, these are already been delivered and ready to move in units are available in this tower. Now about tower H. So the possession for tower H is by March 2026. Possession for Tower J and K is by July 2026, and for Tower I, the possession is by January 2027. If you're looking for more details of the project, you can visit our website www.housey.com, and even you can check out the pros and cons over there. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the residential project, that is Rajapushpa Provincia, which is located in Narsingi, Hyderabad, the project developed by Rajapushpa Properties.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.